Hey guys, welcome back to XDA TV. I'm here with Tania at DroidCon UK 2016, and I'm very happy for you to allow us to have some time with you. Thank you very much. But today, Tania had a really good subject that talks about a lot of things that you may not be aware of that's going in the background that you can optimize. So how's DroidCon for you so far?
Well, I'm super excited to be here. It's my first time attending DroidCon, and it's also my first time giving a talk, so I'm super excited. I met a bunch of cool people so far, and I'm really looking forward for the party tonight. So let's see how it goes.
I think a lot of people are looking forward to the party. As you probably don't know, but this is almost at the end of day one, and we've seen a lot of great talks and a lot of different subjects going on. Can you tell us a little bit more about your subject? What was your talk about?
So my talk was about how you can do simple things to improve your Gradle build. Usually developers don't focus too much on the Gradle build. They focus more on the Android part and doing nice UI, doing nice animations, and then you can do small things that really make your life easier. For instance, you can specify different flavors, and then you can have different versions of the app, like a free version and a paid version, or you can also have different build types with different configurations. Like you might want to have a staging build type where you actually sign your APK, but you put the debuggable flag on, and that makes you able to debug it later, but running the code like it was on production.
So this is a lot of the things that go in the background that a lot of developers, as you're mentioning, don't really think of it. I mean, we work with Android Studio, we interface, we set different things, and even with Gradle builds, my understanding is that you also have the way to optimizing auto versioning, updating versions on your device. Every time you update the code, it generates a new version, so you don't have to remember to create a new version when you're exporting or going through the build. What would you say some of the main challenges that some people face these days, especially with doing Gradle builds? Is it the length of the time that it takes to do the build, or is it more setting up the tables or setting up the libraries correctly?
Setting up a custom build for your project, for the needs of your project, takes a little bit. I do it step by step. So whenever I get a new requirement, I try to meet it. Like my QA team required me to target the tests to run on a specific environment, so I just did that on the build. So it's more like you start to build it up from scratch.
So maybe we can look at it as to end this. What would be something that you would want to say to developers that are getting into development and starting using Gradle or even using Android Studio to start build their system? What would be maybe one quick tip, kind of like a message that you'd like to give them?
Yeah. Don't be afraid to mess up your build Gradle. You can always roll it back and make it like it was before. Play around with it. You can create your own custom tasks. You can automate a lot of things. It will make your life much easier. And if I knew some things before that I know now, I would not have wasted so much time.
Definitely, there's a lot of good things. I'll make sure to give you guys some more links in the description to be able to find out more information on what went on here at DroidCon UK. It's a very busy, a very exciting place to be. Keep it with us here, and again, keep it with us here at XDA-Developers TV. Thank you very much for the support.
Thank you.